What's up, YouTube? Today I want to get into Davidoff hot water. Now we understand that this has the styrex and benzoin, which put in the Oriental category. Well, we basically have some spices like pimento, and then the patchouli basically creates just a little bit of masculinity, and you get a little bit of boozy absinthe and some aromatic red basil. So basically, this is a semi-money grab by the Davidoff scent line. And it's basically a liked fragrance but not loved. It's not extremely popular because Cool Water sold like crazy. And then they decided 20 years later, almost 20 years down the road from the 80s, in 2009, they decided to basically create a new fragrance. And they tried to create this series. And with the Cool Waters, you had your aquatic. Now they're basically doing the opposite, and they're trying to create a fiery oriental. So what they claim is Davidoff Hot Water arrives as a fiery oriental masculine fragrance, and they're basically pushing this aggressively in magazines, trying to make money. And see, the problem with this is like the Cool Water varieties that are watered down. This basically has some people that like it, but it's like a lot of people say, if you get into the Davidoff scent line, you'll probably like this one. If you're not really into that scent line, you'll probably think it's a decent fragrance, but it's nothing really spectacular. It's an example of another fragrance that people might think smells good, but it doesn't have that kind of quality of being unique. It's much more just like any other fragrance, and it's just another scent created by Davidoff, basically, as far as I'm concerned.